Hey guys, thanks for checking out our video. Go ahead and smash that like button, hit subscribe. Each week we're going to be checking out new floor plans, new neighborhoods, and we're going to do awesome walkthroughs. So you can check it out, and if you ever have any questions about the floor plan that we're walking through, you can always give us a call or text 843-925-7600. This one we're going to check out, it's a Dunwoody Way Floor Plan here in Webb, 55 plus community. It's located right here in Nexton in Summerville. It's a beautiful place. This is 3-bed, 3-bath, between 2,000 and 2,400 square feet, depends on how you build it. Come on and check it out. Check out the living room. Check out this gourmet kitchen with a double oven.
Three, two, one.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out our video. Don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe. This way you're going to be alerted every time we put up a new video of a different floor plan, a new walkthrough each week. Again, this is the Dunwoody Way Floor Plan here in Webb at Nexton, located in beautiful Summerville. If you got any questions, call or text 843-925-7600. Again, my name is Jason with the Houston team, Jeff Cook Real Estate. Have a good one.